Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come for me to shave off the hair on this hideous mannequin that has been with me for quite some time now, and I've used for many tutorials. And I got one request from someone to do a satisfying video of shaving off the hair from this mannequin. So I've got my clippers ready. I'm just going to shave it off. Let's do it. Great, so now this is even more hideous than it was before, but I'm glad that I did this, and I hope you found this video very satisfying.